We've got a couple of our teammates out here today working with a group of 25 girls this morning, 25 girls this afternoon, taking apart an engine. We have a business here. We also live in the neighborhood. So a couple years ago, we sat down with some people here at the school and just asked how we could get involved. One of the ideas we came up with is let's bring some engines, let's let the students tear them down, see how they work, and see what we do every day.
It's really fun because everybody can just be hands-on and it's not like you're being shown what to do, it's just being guided.
This is great because I have a lot of students with introverted qualities here, and I have interpretive dance of engines going on right now, and just a lot of happy talk, a lot of cooperation, a lot of just girl power basically.
Getting experience in person is nice. I mean, this is really up my alley. I really like this kind of stuff. So I think it's fun to actually have a place to do it in school and also with other people who are interested.
It's really fun. It's also great because the girls and boys are separated, so the girls actually have a chance to do it. Because most of the time, boys would probably just want to try doing more stuff. So it's really great that the girls can do it.
Really taking a look at what matters to me, what I'm passionate about and learning in life. I want these students just to have passion for what they do in life versus is this a good fit based on am I a boy or a girl? It's what is a good fit for me and my skill set.
So this is the lower oil pan. We took off the upper, so now we're trying to take off this entire piece right here.
Quite honestly, our people love it. We think that the students are having a good time, but I know that our people are having a great time. And so it's a real value to our employees, to our teammates, to be able to come out here and share a little bit of what they do.
Oh my goodness, it's huge!
One of the things we hope for is just giving the students an idea of another avenue for them to pursue from a vocational standpoint. But we would love to see more and more females in the industry. Number one, they bring a lot of characteristics that are valuable to us. But number two, if we could get females engaged, it would double the available workforce for automotive repair.
Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty.
Students need to have experiential ways of learning that are highly engaging. I just basically stand back and watch, and to me that is a perfect teaching moment where you're doing nothing because the students are so engaged, so into whatever the activity is.